Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do is hit that bell, ding, and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Today, Mr. Belle will be doing something different. Today, I'll be making a stuffed egg. It's almost like a quiche, but today I'll be using a little cheese, a little ground meat, a little turkey, and rice, and butter, some onions, 2 eggs, paprika, seasoned salt, and regular salt. We had some of this left over from lupin, sliced turkey, little rice left over, so I'm saying I'm gonna make a stuffed egg today. I'll be doing this on the stove. I hope you enjoy this video. You can use any kind of ingredients you want when you make this stuffed eggs, or you can do it in the oven like a quiche. We're gonna get started. Okay, I'm just gonna crack these eggs and put them in here. Add a little paprika. Little seasoning salt. Little salt. I'm just going to beat it up. Just like this. I'm just going to put my onions in. And beat it up. And I'm going to just beat that up like that. And I'm just going to do it different and put a little rice in. And just mix up all this together. Just beat it up. Just like that. And now I'm going to add my little ground meat. You can put anything you want in it if you want to. Any kind, it could be just vegetables, it could be just meat and everything. And I'm just going to beat it up like that. And I'm going to just set my fire on 4, and I'm going to just put this butter in just like this and let it melt. Stir that all around. Let it melt real good. Okay, as you see, it's melting. So I'm just gonna fold the eggs in just like this. A little of it. So when I put my other meat on top of it. And I'm gonna let that cook a little. As you see, it's looking nice and good. So I'm gonna just flip this over just like this. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna put my cheese on top. Put this cheese on the bed like this. This is the extra sharp cheese. So I'm gonna just lay it like that. And I'm just gonna lay the meat on top of it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put the rest of this all over it. And just let it spread. And it'll come out nice and good. And spread it. And just let that cook. Okay, so we're gonna take a look at it and see how it's coming out and everything. Hope it come out. This is my first time doing this one, so I'm gonna try to get a nice good flip. As you see, that was a nice good flip. And I'm just gonna cook that backside just like that. Okay, I think this is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take it out and put it right over here. Sit it right there. And right there. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take a little slice of it. And see how it come out. I'm gonna just cut a piece of it so you get an idea. And it's hot. As you see the steam coming off it. And I'm gonna take a whiff of it and see. As you see, it's looking nice and good on the inside. The cheese is melting and everything. And right there, I'm gonna take a bite of it. Tastes good. I can taste every ingredient that I put in it. And that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. Thank you for watching. That's all. You don't know how to subscribe, that's all you had to do. Hit that bell, ding, and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you.